Today we'll talk about how can you find your list on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first. So you just go down here, click here on my list here, just click on it. So when you click here on my list, it's going to take you to this list. And here can you find your list here or your watch list. Can you find your watch list? So that's all you have to do to find your watch list on your Crunchlist or Crunch app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.